What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in case you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, kingcustoms.com, because you will see some behind the scenes photos of things before they hit the video. Now, we are going to check on our bracket to see how it looks now that it's nice and dried. It looks beautiful. And if you guys are wondering what I did here, I took a old hand jack, tied some string around it, and have this free hanging. That way I can paint it with ease, and it definitely worked out the way I wanted it to. I definitely put a flower pot in the front so it wouldn't off balance, but whatever, it worked. So now today we're gonna take this bracket off because now it's freshly new again. We're gonna take the bracket off, put the new vapor canister on, and put the new solenoid on, and then work on hooking that back up to the truck. Hopefully it's already dark. Started filming a little bit too late. Right now it's about 8 o'clock, and I don't know when this video is coming out, but it will soon. So let's get started and let's work on this quick. Alrighty, so here we have is our new vapor canister. We're gonna unbox it really quick, which we did in one of my lives, so it's nothing new. But here we have the brand new vapor canister, which isn't really new because I think it was made in 2017. That's what it looks like, it said. But to me, it's brand new. So here it is. We're gonna match it up with the old one, which is right here. Looks identical, and the part numbers actually match up. So let us work on transferring this clip that's stuck here on this new one, and then we're gonna work on putting it back on the bracket. That's all she wrote. Now this right here is the old bolt. We are gonna reuse it because it's still good, but we're just gonna clean it up a little bit. All of that would have gotten on these fingers. I don't understand how, no matter how careful you are with anti-seize, it somehow covers your body. I'll never get it. Okay, so the only thing left is to put the solenoid on and then go and install this into the truck. The only problem is I forgot what direction the solenoid goes in, so I'm gonna install this bracket in the truck first, and then we'll leave the solenoid last. Seeing as how I couldn't show you guys the solenoid easy, we just got that in. So now what I'm going to do is remove this fuel filler neck. It's held on by two 13mm bolts, super easy to get to. They're hard to see, so what you have to do is actually feel on the frame, follow the filler neck, and then feel right near it. You'll feel a bolt, and then follow it again towards the gas tank, and you'll feel a second bolt. It's only 2 bolts that hold these in. I bet this was designed to be removed when the cab is off the frame. I have no idea how I'm gonna get this new one back in, but The battery's about to die, and that was pain in the butt. Look at that. I really don't know how I'm gonna get this new one in, but we'll figure it out. So that concludes today's episode. Battery's about to die. Gotta put this up on a charge. We got the fuel filler neck out. That was hell, so I don't know how I'm gonna put the new one in. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Hopefully it's not as hard. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick episode. Sorry it was so quick and just not even that crazy, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me get this dust off of me. I gotta go run the shower. See you later.